Let's begin. Shirt, T-shirt. Let's complete the addition.
Good job!
Hooray!
Drag the below pieces to their right position in the shadow. Shirt,
Excellent!
Hooray!
choose the right photo that matches the one above. Awesome!
Hooray!
Remember the position of all the images. Drag them back to their right position.
Good job!
Hooray!
Can you find the missing part? Excellent!
Hooray!
Do you know which clock shows the same time as the clock above? 10 o'clock. Fantastic!
Hooray!
Draw a line to connect the matching pairs. Start from the arrow.
Excellent!
Hooray!
What's in the box? Way to go!
Hooray!
Find the matching pairs. Shirt, shirt. T-shirt, T-shirt. Tie, tie, tie. Bow tie, bow tie. Rain boots, rain boots. Rain boots, rain boots. Sweater, sweater.
Great job!
Hooray!
Find the missing piece of the wheel. Fantastic!
Hooray!
Can you find the right shadow of shirt? Awesome!
Hooray!
Drag the numbers to its original location on the clock. $11 o'clock. Awesome!
Hooray!
Drag the images below to their shadows.
Excellent!
Hooray!
Can you find the missing letter in this word? Shirt. Shirt. Awesome!
Hooray!
Can you find the right image to finish the chain on the left?
Great job!
Hooray!
Find all the T-shirt cards. Awesome!
Hooray!
Let's practice writing letters. S. S. Shirt. Good job!
Hooray!
Which one is the letter X? Fantastic!
Hooray!
Complete the rule on the left.
Excellent!
Hooray!
Choose the right piece that fits the picture above. T-shirt. Good job!
Hooray!
Way to go! Here's your prize.